got a new gift. It just came a lot sooner than I was expecting, but I'm not complaining because I've been needed like yesterday. So let's see what I got. I like this. It's different. It looked like some children was playing with it because of how it's cut. But it's nice. This is what I got. It was time for a new one. My S24 5G phone, it's done. It's only 3 years old, but it's gotten to a point where it's more hassle than help. I'm sorry, and I'm recording on that phone right now as I'm talking. But all right, so I put the phone down so I can charge it for right now. Let's see what's in this box. So most of these always come like this. Like I said before, it reminds me of Xbox. There's always some compartments in some compartments. I'm gonna tell you a little something I don't usually do. I don't usually download the manual before I get the phone, but I did, and the dang on manual was so long. Oh my goodness. The standard, what's this? USB Type-C cord. Also, I can use this cord to take what's on the old phone and put on the new phone. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Yep, the ejection key just in case your Samsung freezes up or whatever. Quick start guide. As you can see, it folds out. It'll tell you all about the phone, the ejection key. I guess the model you got. The instructions how to fix it up. Alright, so again, I chose the one with the orange. I like this matted though. It's not bad. This reminds me of Midnight Club or Need for Speed, or pretty much any racing game that has like street racing in it where you can customize your car. Even GTA. This matted right here just makes it look a whole lot better, and plus you can't really see fingerprints on the matted. Usually with the Samsung phones, the screen protector is usually a little bit different. Now I was reading how to turn this phone off. It is not the same as how you turn it on and off on your other Galaxies. Now you got a whole volume down and power and side button at the same time. That's how you used to turn them on when they get stuck in a loop. So nice. Ooh, good grief. Look how bright that is. I have to get close. That's my unboxing of my new phone. It was time. I really needed a new phone like a year ago. Pretty much what happened is, the phone that I'm recording on now is the S24 Plus 5G phone. The one thing that made this phone not be the best phone I ever had at the time was the fact they took the SD card out, which don't make no sense. What happens with this phone now is it freezes, it reboots, and then sometimes when it comes back on after rebooting, it'll just go into a reboot loop for a while. There's times where as soon as I touch it after it reboots, it'll go right back into freezing again. It does not recognize English. So many times I had to correct it instead of it correcting me. It doesn't text when you want it to text half the time. Yeah, it's a lot. It's quite a little. It's quite a few things that's wrong with the phone now. It's got older. It's cracked in the back. This is the first phone I had that's got cracks in it, because usually I really take care of the phones, but unfortunately, trying to watch TV, falling asleep with the phone in my hand and dropping it. But anyway, thank you for watching. There's more to come. as you can see, there'll be better. Hopefully, there'll be better videos and more videos now I got my new phone. So until then, catch you in the next one. I'm out.